M8. This wasn't even latched on. These are just rubber grommets. What else is hooked to? Oh, nothing. Okay, perfect. Oh, this rubber grommet stayed on instead of coming off, so we will. Rethread. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so now we are in, which is the blinker bulb. Looks like it is this guy. Yep. So it's the green one. You can see that. There it is. Here's where I really need some gloves because my hands are now dirty. So I'll use the inside of my shirt. .30 degrees about, counterclockwise. There you go, it only fits in correctly one way. Then put it back in. Push it all the way and turn it. Perfect. Here's your good one, it's extra. This one's the garbage one. Okay. No. There we go. Okay, that's nice. So, yep, this comes apart, so just make sure you got it back in there. This is the retention feature right there. You can see we must have used to be able to screw it down, but they don't do that anymore. Cost reduction. Not a bad one either. So mine has a little bit of oil coming from that fresh air thing. That's how I know which side. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on. It's like a rock motion. There we go. That's all nice in there. This is much more firm now. We're gonna put this back on. So make sure you get it under that latch. Is there a latch under here? Yep, there's a latch right there too. Make sure you get it under. Put it down. Latch it on. Perfect. Slide that in. Over. Notice that this latch is in between these two notches. Put that back on. Tighten this up. Tighten up this hose clamp. There you go. Hand tight's just good enough. Boom. Let's go test it out. Perfect. There we go.